Dili ko ana guys, na ano, mga kultist la. May mga kultist ba? Tingnan natin. Putahin natin sila. Hello, Zay. Unsa man yan ay? Uy. Uy! Chase ako, uy. Dilera mo ko sa ako. Dili ko sa imo, guys. Pangit rin yung ano, cultist. Yung cultist, may spear sila. Dili ko na yung mga spear, guys. Puro ka na lang build ng shelf. Wala kang ibang gagawin. No? No, anda. Okay, sige, garagi store ba? Alam mo, ano pang gagawin? Okay, go. Comment go if you go. Comment go if you go. Ano man, we will go. Ano pang gagawin natin, no? Go if you go. Tingnan mo, namatay pa siya. Uy! Namatay siya, ay. She is revived. She's revived. Takba lagi tayo, guys. Yeah. Scramble. You and me will eat? Eat. Yeah. Guys, hashtag eat. If you eat. Eat. So, umusog ka or ako yung uusog sa'yo, day. Ako yung uusog sa'yo, day. Ano man kasi ate, uy? Okay, we only have one. Why we only have one pest? One pest. Okay, guys. Nagbilir ako ng ano, guys. Tara, guys. Tara, guys. Tara, guys. Tara, imong, guys. Dito tayo. Ka na lang matay. Magkaoy, ate, girl. Undrag. Dan ka lang, Zay. Uy, nag-revive pala ko. Ay, sorry. Take it. Revive. Revive na siya. Uy! Woo! Na-revive lagi siya. Wow, na-revive lagi siya. Na-revive lagi siya, guys. Revive. Eat. Yummy! Hala na, yung missing child, guys. Oh my goodness. So, pataray good natin yung pistot kang si Selamig ke. Sige ka man, matay. Uy! Tilik pa na sa'yo, uy. Pangit ra ka, uy! Sige ka ano, uy? Matay ka dyan. Wala ka pang gagawin. Puro na lang matay, no? Pangit ra yun. Hala siya! Nahulog siya! Hello. Where is she? Ay, she's there. Hala, Zay, ba't kanyan siya, Day? Day, gumising ka na. Matulog ka na lang dyan. Go to bed. Drag. Ano sa imong position, Day? Uy! Ano nangyari sa position mo, Day? Okay, we fix you. Kay dili man ka maayos, Day. Sama si ate, uy. Oh, ayan! Natulog na siya. I like it. Remove the banana. Ayun siya, natulog na siya. Natulog ra mo, uy. Wakyud na wakyud imo gawa, uy. Magawi man kayo ng ano, Jay. Kawa kayo ng ano, no. Ay, uy! Ay, hi, Jay. I will want to be friends with you. Ayoko sa'yo. Sige ka man matay, uy. Ha? I will go get bandages. Okay, bye. Wala kaming paki sa'yo, Zay. Okay, parang pangit man imong Zay. Matulog na lang siya sa Selmy. Okay, bye, Zay. See you later. Okay, pangit ragid ko. Ay, ikaw pala yung pangit, char. Sino to? Oh my... Oh my gosh, you people can speak. I finally someone who can. Hi. Oo, hi lang. Kasi hindi ako social. Hello! Daming tao nag-say ng hi to me. Say ng hi to me. Andyan si Soda, oh. Kailangan ko ng pagkain, Zay. Gutom ako. Oh, okay. So, maya-maya, guys. Magkakain muna ako, guys. Kay, ano man akong pang gagawin ko? Ano? Ang saan ginawa? May wood, guys. Oh my gosh. So, papatay. Oh my goodness. Papatay ragud ko. Sorry guys na mag-English lagi ko kanina sa mga dating videos ko, guys. Sorry guys. Kay dili man ko kabalo mag-Bisaya doon nung time na yun. So, kay shy man ko, no? Parang Amerikano man ko, no? Diba? Parang Amerikano yun. Dili man ko ay Amerikano. Sige kag ano, lihok-lihok ba? Na. Na. Patay rag yun. Sabi ko sa'yo, Jai. Huwag kang umano sa akin, Jai. Kung ay, pistot, may wolf. Ay, sorry guys. Sorry. Bad words lagi ko, guys. Oh my gosh. Bad words. Boy, guys, i-store ko talaga yung mga Jai. Mga pagkain para makaano yun. Na-revive lagi siya, guys. Or dili siya. Believe pa siya? Wala na siya. Ay, wala na siya sa Selemy, guys. Pistot ka sa Selemy, uy. Sige, ano? Pistot. Ay, sorry, guys. Dai! Pistot kasi. Why? Pistot ka. Tangi. Sige, ikaw naman kang hulog-hulog, uy. Do you have a bandage? Do you guys have a bandage? Don't leave. Don't leave. Oh my goodness. Saman si ate, uy. Wait, guys, naaragi ko. Stop, yung something is flying above you. Wala kaming pake dyan. Ang pake lang na. Uy! May ano, gyud. Patay ka ra karon. Na. Ay, stop, hungry lagi ko. Oh my freaking gosh. Patay ragid ko. Uy, naana siya. Patay ragid ko. Starving nako. Guys, starving lagi ko. Oh, kain ka na, Jai. Oh, kumain ka na. Yum. Hala, na-live lagi siya. Naagyud yung ano. Fire. Ito yung fire die. Wait lang, guys. Magbilig ragyud tayo ng ano. Ano yung tawag dito? Ay, revive na siya. Ay, dili ang siya revive. Sorry, hindi ka na revive, Jai. Kay dili man tayo makaano, no? Ay, pistot ka. Okay. So, we bought that. Ano sa man siya yung English ko, eh? Pangit ragid yung English ko, Jai. Wait lang, tingnan natin. Sabi daw, i-click ka daw to. Dili man. Nothing special. Excuse me. Fireflies have grown around the map. Ay, kaya pala. Ano kaya pala, Jai? Ano lagi? Okay, so we're going to plant it here because if we don't plant it, we're not gonna plant it here. Ano tayo ako sabi? Uy, pangit ragid. Okay. How to cut it all together. Ayun. Batang mysterious kang bata na ka, umusog ka kay maaks ko kita gyud. Wait lang, guys, magkaon lagi ko. Dahil kung hindi pistat ka, ano na to? Kainin ko kita, no? Wala guys, nawalag yun. Nawalag yun. Dito, oh. Planted. Pistet. Okay guys, I will friend her kasi she's nice to me. She's nice. Kasi she never left me. She never left me. Ano ka? I wish I can stick stin kung ano ka eh. Puro ka na lang. Ay guys, kunti lang yung ano guys. Hindi ko alam paano kami magsusurvive. Kahit dili man ko makasurvive guys. Lo. Wait lang. Okay guys, magka-undragid ko. Kay kan lang ko. Ha? Stut kang rain naka. Kanina ka pang rain ha. Kanina ka pang rain. Ay. Halika dito. Dili pa siya live. Oy. Ay. Ang sakaday. Ay. Ay. Go. Uy, finally na-revive lagi siya. Good job, bestie. Bestie. Eret. Sorry. Kadulot lagi ko, eh. Ano day? Thank you. Much better. Do. Eat, guys. Eat. Speaking eat, guys. Kay dili man kayo maka-eat. Tapos mamatay kayo. Diba? Mamatay kayo. Ay! Magkano yun? 1, 3. Sabi ko na nga eh. Uy, stop. Oh my God. Ay, sorry Lord. Uy, wait lang. Nagkaganon pa ako eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag kang mang-aasar sa friends ko. Fake naman yung friends ko eh. Fake! Sorry guys. Wait lang, natatakot ako. Halika dito. May bata na to. Uy, hala. Okay, yeah. Ikaw pa.
Katunayan, maraming estudyante ang nagkaklase ng may peligro. Wala pong kaming school na na-visit na wala pong condemned building. Pero
ayun, matay lagi siya. Ikaw ang bata. Diyan ka, oo, mamatay ka. Dili ako sa guys. Tapos tree. Tapos kailangan natin ng basta. Diyos ko, Maria Joseph. Hala guys, dili lagi soft yung akong rice. Char. Ay. Ba't ka nagsusay? Char. Wait lang guys, mag-chop muna ako guys. Wala. Okay. Guys, we need to literally eat kasi maya mamamatay na tayo no. Hala guys. Guys, nakita ko yung horse na yan. Pinatay ko yung horse na yan kasi nagmamaldita siya eh. Anyways. Hala guys, gutom lagi ko guys. Hala, gutom lagi ko guys. Oh my goodness. Wait lang, kakain muna ako. Eat it. Oh my gosh guys, I'm so healthy. Dili, healthy. Opa! Saan ka na, Zay? Bunny foot? That's easy to kill. That's easy to do. Halika na nga, bunny ka. Sampakin. Halika dito ba? Yan lang, bigyan mo sa akin. Walang bunny foot, no? Iba talaga yung mga bunnies na yun eh. Diba? Char. Hala, Zay. Ang saraman. Ay, day. Ate! Stop it. Sige, kila kang matay ba? Saan na yun? Okay, guys. Nag-leave lagi siya. Yeah. They will not leave me because I'm their friend. They're probably, siya. Kita ko siya. mga ano siya, mga sa bunnies. Para makahanap yung agad siya ng ano guys. Pagkain nun. Guys, dili ra ko. Umusog na nga ka. Stop. Okay guys, so today for our video is that we will just try to die. Sorry guys, dili ra ko ano guys. Oh my god, you just planted there. You're so stupid. So stupid. Ba't nandyan lang siya? Wala lang siyang ginagawa. Kami may gagawin kami. Ang kaate, uy. Oh, pak. Mag-stop na nga rin kasi sinabi kong mag-stop. Kasi si Jesus kasi yan, guys. Ang bait-bait talaga ni Jesus, guys. Kahit may sins kayo, inaano kayo nila, pina-forgive kayo ni Papa Jesus. Ayun, happy lang siya. Kay, kung dili man siya happy, uy. Ay, piston. Hala, guys, hungry lagi ko, guys. Wait lang, I'm hungry in the game, not in real life. Wait lang, guys. Ito. Ketchups! Skip it. Okay, guys. I'm so scared of the monster. The monster. Wait lang, guys. Baka hungry yung ano today, guys. Baka hungry. Wait lang. Tatakot talaga. Umihim ka ng ano ka. Hayop. What is that? That is what? I don't know. Wait lang. I need to plant some seeds. Some seeds? What are you talking about? Go. Put it in the fire. Because we will burn. Get it. Okay, guys. We're good. We're back. So we got 14. How much do we have? Ay, dito man. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 14. Wow, ang galing yung lagi ko, guys. Nakabili ako ng 3. Tatlo, guys. 3. Biriin mo, 3 binili. Go. Uy! Hala! Ano naman dyan ka? Oh my goodness, guys. It's not in line. Guys, dili man siya in line. Uy. Okay, guys, we will earn enough to put this in this wall. Put this in this wall. What are you doing? So we will gupit this thing. Roblox? Ate girl, pumilis ka mag-ano, dai. Okay, we will plant it. Go. Guys, i-plant ragid natin. Plant natin dito. Umpak. Ganda niya. Angas ni ate girl. Mag-ano tayo. Let's tanim. Tanim. So, we are getting this and then we will plant this because if we don't plant this, we're not gonna have any more, Hoy, darts player. Ano ka naman, galaw-galaw. Okay, dili man ka nagalaw-galaw, no? Aray ko. Daddy, let's watch Wednesday. Can you watch Wednesday? Kasi pangit na yung Untold. Huh? Ano ba? YouTube me on the friend on my chance to refreshing my little soda pop. You're all that I think. Okay. Go, yes, guys. We're still very low. Very low. I will look in this house for some anik. Oh my goodness. Guys, wala. They told me to never hunt here. The deer behave differently. Okay, wala tayong pake dyan. Yung ano natin today is that We need to look for some wood because the wood right now is currently oh, that movie. There's a Roblox game about that. The girl ate the eagle. She's hungry. Duh. What she would do? She would eat the excuse them. Wait, let's just watch that, guys. That movie looks really good. Ay, hala, Jai. Unsa man ka adi? Put this. Plant it! Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm just crush these two. Guys, nag-leave ra mo, guys. Ay, dili man. Let's stay together. Let's stay together! Yay! I'm so happy. Happy. Walang happy kung dito 99 nights in the forest, guys. Hala, Jai! Unsa man ka, Day? Uy. Ay, uy! Ay! Uy! Ay! Ay! Uy! Ay! Uy! Hala, Jai. Okay, bye, Day. Ay, Diyos ko po. Oh my... Okay, this is just to explain what we will do with it. I will do it. I will get your egg before I will put this all with ketchup.
Ay, wag mo lagyan ng ketchup lahat.
I literally buhos the ketchup on that. So refreshing. Sino ka? Oh my gosh. Ang sarap mo, ate girl. Hala, may naiba na food. Dito na lang. Go in your place. Go in your place. Okay, guys. Gutom lang ko. Gutom lang ko, guys. Wait lang. Kakain muna ako, guys. Go. This one. Oh, hala, naata yung feather. Guys, naata yung feather. Itong feather, oh. Mahalaga tong Why did you hulog? Why did you hulog? Kunin mo yan. Anday, kunin mo yan. Go, let's go. Let's go. Where is it? Where is she? Hinahanap ko siya eh. Saan na? Kay di man ka naman hanap. Oh, there she is. I found her. Guys, nara siya oh. Na full canister oh. Hala, Jai. Ang cool naman yun. That's so cool, guys.
Thanks for coming, James. Couldn't bring yourself to do it.
Need to eat it. Go. Okay, guys, I need to get my full canister. Bird watcher. Kanya, anong bird watcher? Bird watcher. Guys, I found a long time awaitment. So I'm going to eat while I'm going to roleplay. Yeah.
Come on.
Oh my god, she died. What happened to her? Did she die? Uy! Wag na lang ko, anak. She looks weird. She looks creepy. Guys, yung kaon ko rice, guys. That's my egg. Oh my goodness, guys. Narata yung ano, guys. Sama ni si ano, oy. Ayun din siya. Tingnan lang tayo dun, guys. Hala, guys, may ano. I didn't go in here. Ano ka dyan? What happened to her? Why are you so screaming? Oh my goodness. Wait, guys, let's eat this apple. This apple is very healthy. I'm gonna take all. Get this. Get this. Okay, guys, yun lang. Let's go. Let's go back. Okay, saan tayo magpunta? Oh my goodness. I am so far. Oh wait, I'm not far. Rawr! Okay. Sorry guys kung AFK lagi ko. Ano sa yung ginagawa? No? Guys, lagi kong apple, guys. Guys, I have a freaking apple. Who wants this apple? Guys, like literally. Who wants this freaking apple? We have 17. Okay, why the frick did I buy a lot? Like, guys. Like, why did I buy a lot? Like,
Okay, malamig na. Kala ko maglagay ng ketchup.
huh?
Kala ko maglagay ng ketchup.
Guys, I don't know, guys. Look.
You're on a police.
Okay.
What's going on?
Okay lang yun tayo. Okay lang yun tayo. Amin. Kaya na paret. Near. Para dalawag yun. I'm so excited, actually, guys. Like, I'm so excited.
How did you do that?
Your leg died. Okay, put it on.
Services, this is Sergeant James Hayes. I'm going to need an ambulance at the Urana Cemetery. I have an injured woman.
Oh. Okay, guys.
Hey, my name's James.
Gutom lagi ko, guys. Wait lang. Kain.
Wind up here.
Kain, guys. What happened to her?
Is the police? Can you come towards the light, please? You right there, mate?
Uy. Oh my god, I fell.
Urana 302, requesting assistance.
Get it.
We need backup from a tube.
Okay, guys. So,
Naked people down at the
for today's video that we will be ending. Okay, guys. Okay, what is she building now? Hala, marami good tayo, guys. Guys, nahulugs.
Alicia, where's the ambulance?
James.
I have no idea.
Oh my goodness. Aray ko. Keep it there. Ano?
Can you get her checked out?
Oh my goodness. We have only 9, guys. 9 pieces.
Hey, can you come here, please?
Yes. Oh, so cute.
Blanket.
Makuha rata ng ano, guys, wood. Bago mag-ulan.
What's going on, mate? How many of you are here?
See, I was right.
Where am I?
4.
Graveyard. Where do you think you are?
Seriously?
It's okay. It's the police.
Saan si ate, uy?
Tapos
Okay,
sila
guys.
nakaano.
What?
Nakahubad.
What if she's died?
Hmm?
What if she's died?
Could be drugs.
Drugs. Oh my gosh. Guys, mamatay ragyod tayo, ana. Like, guys. Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, listen. You
Okay,
take
guys,
it.
I'm scared.
I'll round the rest up.
Hello,
Make your way
naano
towards
ko
me,
yun.
please. Beautiful.
Wait lang!
Beautiful. It's okay, mate. I'm a police officer. Come this way.
Because I'm scared. Because there's something gonna kill us. Okay. I'm gonna go get it.
That's the way. That's the way.
Okay.
Good.
This. Gonna plant it. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm really scared.
Okay.
I'm scared because there's gonna be something that's gonna attack me. So kawaii, so cute.
Yan, dami nila.
Huh? There's more?
Hmm.
Nah, bruh. Nah, jit, tripping.
Kain ka muna, okay.
I can't like just literally leave the game. And I can't pause it. Guys, I'm like literally logging out right now. Guys, we need more for the fire. Honestly. I think. Like, if I die, they're gonna like revive me. Because Duh, why wouldn't they revive me? Why are the carrots moving, bro? I'm scared, honestly, guys. We have 34. Wait, we have 14. Dang it. Guys.